Over the next couple of days, I want to help you design your lifestyle marketing business. And I want to share with you the fastest way to get you there. And one of those first steps is to stop comparing yourself to other people. You have to stop caring about the views, the likes, the shares, and how big your following is. You have to get on the front foot and start designing the lifestyle business that you want. You have to see the potential of what is inside of you. You need to believe in yourself and understand that you're worthy of living your best life. So in order for you to live the life that you desire, you need to reflect on your past few days and find those moments in your day where you were on fire, where you were unstoppable, where you were in love with life. Where were you? What part of your day did you love? What part of your day did you resist? What part of your day did you dislike? Was it in the mornings, the afternoons, or the evenings? What was it that you were procrastinating about or not doing? What was it that you were doing that you did not want to do? What activities did you do that created an emotional response? What part of your day were you overwhelmed or frustrated with? What part of your day were you excited about? Which activities got you the result or moved the needle in your business? Understanding what you love, what you resist, and what you dislike is that first step for you to design your lifestyle marketing business. Now, I want you to sit down twice a week and reflect on the past 3 or 4 days. If you want to design a lifestyle marketing business around your schedule and your family, then this is a critical step on you achieving your goals. By answering these questions, it's going to frame your mind to be the CEO of your business. You are going to show up every day with intention and focus on the income producing activities that move the needle in your business. You are going to be excited to be there. You're going to be pumped up to turn up every day. You are going to love working in your business because you get to build it around your lifestyle and your family. The secret to growing a profitable and successful business is not the views that you generate or the leads that you close. The secret is in the foundations, the processes, the principles of running that successful business. The people that scroll over this and think this guy's got no idea what he's talking about when it comes to business, then unfortunately, those people are going to struggle longer because their ego is in the way and they are not taking the time to stop and listen to someone that's already walked in their shoes. When you realize your success is based off how you turn up, the actions that you take every day, the mindset that you have, and that you need to design the life that you want, otherwise you're going to be working for someone else, whether that be a boss or someone in the DMs that are demanding your time. So start seeing your success, answer these questions, and start designing your lifestyle marketing business. Start seeing the $30,000 months and what you're going to be doing with your time. Make your business fun and exciting and enjoy all the cool things in life because you deserve the life of your dreams. When you're ready to design your lifestyle marketing business, then smash the subscribe button.